Welcome back, guys. It's me, Bruce, doing things. And in today's video, we'll be making Korean pancake. Hotteok. I bought the Korean instant pancake set. Still, we have to mix it ourselves. And here, I already mixed in the dough, the yeast, and this is sugar syrup for the filling that they give me in the pack. Let's get started. Now we'll just mix them with my spatula. As you guys can see, I may have put in too much water in the dough. And as a result, the dough turns into something that seems to be like a normal pancake mix. This kind of thing won't stop me from cooking. I'm still gonna cook anyway. Pour it in. That's right. Adding some more dough. Just so you guys know, this is no longer Hotteok, it's Hotteok. Wait for it to go through. Now, I'm going to cover the filling with some more dough. Now that's how pro chefs cook. So now that I flipped, as you can see, it's not as bad as I thought. Now I'm going to wait until the other side is cooked and well around, just like on this side. And we'll see what it turns out. I mean, it doesn't come out as bad as I thought. As you guys know, one is never enough. We're making a second one. Hotteok Korea style. Testing time. Smells so nice. Oh, hot. Open your mouth wide. Now I'm doing. Now that's what I call Bruce cooking. You guys always think like, oh my god, Bruce, you're so bad at cooking. No, I say otherwise. As you can see, it turns out just fine. I don't even see it. So soft, so chewy. Saving this for later. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. As always, comment if you have any thoughts on this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to stay fabulous.